Good morning. I have arrived at this beautiful place of Akyaka, a place that I arrived yesterday evening around 10 o'clock after having a longer stop at Serkan's house and then hit the road at around 8 o'clock. And I thought, this town of Akyaka would be quite nice, and it turned out exactly the same thing. It is lovely. It is wonderful. It's at the edge of the mountains over there, and we will continue along the coastline, or maybe a little bit inland towards Antalya. I don't need to rush the journey this much because effectively here I am already probably 1/3 to 1/2 of the mileage that I've planned for Turkey, and I'm still at the beginning. So almost 1 o'clock, 10 to 1, and yes, I am really late from leaving today. It was a lazy day. It's Saturday anyway, so. But now I'm ready to go. We will following the coastline today and go to as close to Antalya as possible. Find a nice hotel along the way. I mistakenly booked one via Agoda, but I fucked up the dates. I booked it from 31st October to 1st November, which is when I am already supposed to be home. Stupid mistake. It was a non-refundable booking, so I don't know what they will do. So Agoda probably will do nothing. So I show up at the hotel and ask them if they can do something about it, because I'm driving along the way anyway, and if not, then I will find something else and I will take it as a lessons learned. This was me basically staying late at the hotel, looking for places, planning the route for today. But basically the goal was more or less clear, towards Antalya, Alanya. The best would be to go directly to all the way to Alanya, stay there. But if I want to do some adventurous explorations of that mountain range that we will be following along the coastline, that would be probably too much to do when it's already half day gone. So and I just thought it would be nice for one day to arrive at the hotel a little bit earlier and enjoy maybe a pool, maybe a swim in the sea, because it's still very nice. It's 23 degrees, so probably still possible to go and have a dip in the sea and just chillax one day a little bit from all the driving. Not that it would be difficult, I haven't done much over the past 2 days anyway. The most driving I've done in the days before when going into Turkey, so not a problem, but yeah, you know. We can have a look at the sea over there. Goodbye the town of Akyaka. Later today I will clear the visor for you. I just need to stop by at the petrol or see one of those points with water so that I can give it a wash, so that you don't have to see the all the protein that I collected over the past few hundred kilometers. By the way, this road here from the mountains was amazing. Stop by here. I stopped for petrol and had a bit longer stop there because I got news from home that my mom, who is staying with my wife and the kids at our place, she had called an ambulance. Luckily it was a panic attack, nothing more serious than that. I mean, panic attack is already serious as well, but I had it, my mom has it, so I sort of know what it is, and so everything is now, mashallah, sorted. I am continuing on this D400 road to Antalya, along the coastline. The first stop in the town of Kosh. Maybe I will stay already in Kosh, or maybe I will make it all the way to either Antalya or Alanya, to one of the resorts, and possibly I'm thinking maybe I would stay there until Monday, 2 nights, that means, so that I can enjoy a little bit of a seaside and take a dip in the sea and just relax. After a few days of driving, maybe a break day would help as well for my back and for everything. Absolutely didn't watch its mirrors, not at all. Oh, look at that. Fast road, fast corners. and a lot of fun. And wonderful views. Amazing. Karachulha Chamkoi. Trying to practice some pronunciation. Apologies for that, everyone. Again this morning I had to top up a little bit of oil. Well, a little bit. Almost half a liter to get back to the top of the brackets. And yes, it was another 1200 kilometers something, so that probably makes sense. The Oberon the Oberon slave cylinder works great, looks perfect and amazing, and came in right on time for this trip, which was all good timing as well. We'll be continuing on the D400 to Cash. I'm just having a lazy day today, I admit that. Dearest Jacob, I've lost one of your cameras. It was my mistake because of a holder that broke. And I wondered for my next trip if you can send me one of your new cameras so that I can properly test it. if that would be at all possible. Of course I will buy one anyway. If the Xanthos site is just 1 kilometer, maybe it would be worth going. Maybe yes. Let's go. Let's just have a look. Xanthos, the UNESCO site. A little bit of Greek ancient history. A quick stop at the Xanthos UNESCO place. Oh, pink Lada Fiat from the 60s, 70s. Oh, interesting. And now we are back on the way to Kosh. Vista point. Oh yes, beautiful. Look. Entering the town of Kalkan. Just beautiful. This. How much beautiful is this? This really cries for a photo. Beautiful. Beautiful light as well right now. It's not the golden half an hour yet, but the sun low on the horizon already. I don't want to overtake them because they would probably want to chase me and stop me and check me anyway, so gosh, 15 kilometers. And lessons learned, you can overtake traffic police even if they are having the lights on. Actually, I remember that from the motorways around Istanbul. In the early days I was scared, but then later on, when I saw everyone is overtaking them, so I thought, okay, that's not a problem to do it as well. Okay, what's the time? 5:17. 17:17. Let's go through the center. Let's just grab a photo here, or two, or three. Here I can stop for a little while. Quick photo. Let's continue. It's 5:23. Right, folks, I did find me a hotel in Beldibi. Hope I pronounce it approximately right. And it's about 2 hours 33 minutes away from here, 161 kilometers. So it could be mere 2 hours, an hour and a half, depending on traffic, road and all that. Okay, let's go. Not yet for petrol. Let's do it on the way somewhere. In about 100 something kilometers. Lovely evening again it is. That was good. I don't know what it is, that midline. And we continue on the main road towards Antalya. Temperature has got down to 19 degrees, got significantly colder. Doggy! This is so much fun. This road is so much fun. Let's stop here for a moment. This is so much fun. Sounds good. Let's keep going at 8 o'clock at the hotel, inshallah.